Superintendent of Police ng Ribhoi District ulai ka jingtho asika airport authority apo umroi pan pentip shaki pulit ya baro ki passenger ki bawan mat ke bahar lengba ka umroi airport kata ki bana do ka arfapratrik adu ka artrik jog na banwan kani kalong mat khanglat ye kidi ki batmu banwan se shlong mat pelong ya karali hak artrik jog na banwan ban persya ye ke jing on pat bam do masi hak jala bat kumjur akin diai barakoi Rayu yang nere bau SP yang Ribhoi District oleh kerana bikin nam jaka seng KSU bat FKGP banyak tu ya ka jing temu jaka sarkar ba ikan ika order kabal ai nakalang jaki polit nakalang USP ora pentip ru madalele kena mainat yauni nongilam jaka seng diam hindu on hiar hapo Umrah Airport.
Even if he gets permission to land here, he won't be able to leave the Shillong.
No. Our administration as well as government is very clear. No such thing will be allowed. It is for his own safety also.
Yeah, that's true. Seen that also.
You never know, no?
But we have to keep alert from our side.
Yes. So are we.
Because the person seems very determined, and so we can understand because all the northeastern states. I was informed by my colleagues in Ailad. I was also informed unconfirmed reports that he landed in Ngin airport, Aizawl yesterday. So we're not sure about that. But he's supposed to come here yesterday. So today, given that was a decision, we will issue a press statement. So who knows, he might come tomorrow. But if government can assure us that they will not let him step out of the airport.
Airport we can guarantee. He will not. I cannot take guarantee, no.
Okay, we have to see.
You know, people have hidden chambers also.
Yes. So then we have to be vigilant only on the streets.
See, there is a tactical call you have to take.
Yeah.
This much we can assure from even if they land here, though he is not getting permission to land here, but let us assume he lands here, we will ensure he doesn't come out here.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.